A lovable AI-generated baby monkey sits on a glossy table, eyes bright and lips moving comically as it studies the foods. Grapes arrive first, and every tiny bite rings with crisp sounds, gentle squeaks, and exaggerated mouth motions that charm the senses. Then a banana parade follows, slow chews, soft lip smacks, and a believable swallow that makes viewers relax deeper. Strawberries, cookies, and shrimp join the lineup, each bite popping, crunching, and wetly sighing in a hypnotic rhythm. With a final contented sigh, the tiny cheeks puff, and the screen leaves the audience soothed, smiling, and utterly calmed.